We have 40 people, boys. We were trained by the Ghana Police, Immigration Service and BNI. We have 3 pickups. We started this work for somewhere since September. We've been doing a good job. We are protecting the environment, especially Abuakwa South. It's now that we are going to extend it to the whole Akyem Abuakwa. We were advised to start it the first 3 months at Abuakwa South. We have now completed it. We have a look at the other areas and see the problem there, and we have reported it to Asajifo. So now that we are going to extend it, and we are going to beef up the security men. And as for the security issues, I don't want to bring it to the media. We have impounded some of the excavators, especially pumping machine. We have destroyed about 30 some vans. And in addition to that, we have jailed some people at Koforidua High Court. And that's what I can tell you. Since September, people have been sentenced. We have impounded some equipment and all sorts of it. In fact, the people will never stand there for you to come and get them before you get arrested. Immediately they see you and they took the arrest. And we are able to arrest some of them. And we are doing a good job. As we are far as we're going to look at the brim, we will see that we have done, that will be our evidence that we have done a good job. And no excavator around Kyebi area and the surrounding area. We have done a good job. And we are going to continue. We are praying to God that He will help our strength so that we can do better. And bring. I can assure you it's a political talk. All that I can say is a political talk. You are here. I'm going to take you around. I want you to report whatever you see. You see, and the burden that I come to Akyem especially is Akyem how to reclaim the land, because when the people run with the excavator, they leave the piece away. You understand? So it's up to us to manage how it's going to reclaim the land. And I learned he had bought enough of the tree that he's going to plant after reclamation. So when you go there, you see by yourself and see what you can tell the world.